Hi beautiful, so if you would like to learn how to achieve this natural makeup look, please keep on watching the next stories. This is something you can do in about 10 minutes, and this is me, what as a professional consider to be natural makeup. As usual, after washing your face, you use a toner, and at the moment I've been loving this serum by Pixi. Then I'm gonna go in with my Laneige lip mask, which I usually use it as a lip balm. This is my Clinique makeup, highly recommended if you're a natural. Make sure to shake it before you apply. I've heard that this might be discontinued, so make sure to run in case you love the product. Here's before and after, another before and after, so you guys can see how this concealer, does the job for me. And one of my favorite liquid blushes is by Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Encounter, I believe. And I love to blend it with a wet beauty sponge. Of course, my Charlotte Tilbury AFF setting powder. It's my must-have. Remember, whenever you're doing a natural makeup look like this one, or if you have dry skin, less powder, better, okay? Now, curling my eyelashes. I don't really have lashes, and they point downwards, so if you have the same problem I do, highly recommend to invest in the Shiseido. In here, I'm using my Giorgio Armani mascara, just one layer because this is a natural makeup. Now in here we have this lip liner by MAC. I love MAC lip liners. I always go back to them. And in here, my lip gloss by Essence. By the way, guys, they're super affordable and beautiful. Last but not least, this setting spray that I truly love from Makeup Revolution.